Hi, I'm James Coveney. I'm Head of Data Science and Engineering at Zempler Bank. Zempler Bank are a UK digital bank, predominantly focused on the UK SME market. Most of the areas in which we use data science are around protecting our customers from fraud, preventing financial crime, credit underwriting and marketing customer experience for our customers, ensuring that they get a tailored experience. One very specific use case we've had here is around implementing an algorithm for prevention of fraud in the UK payments network. So prior to using Anaconda, we had some legacy software provider. We couldn't run complex modern AI in the way that we wanted to. And then when we go to deploy these applications or this software in production, we find that our security scanner picks up a bunch of vulnerabilities, and then we need to go back and refactor in many things. And this can add a significant amount of time to a project. We use Anaconda across all of our data science AI projects. We can't have any open source, unrestricted code bases within our development environment. So what Anaconda does is it allows us to use Python when developing our algorithms in a secure way. It allows us to really streamline the development and also align our development to our production systems. Having this capability in place through Anaconda allows us to build our algorithms and do our data science work with the confidence that what we have developed will be deployed to production without any major rework or refactoring. By utilising things like XGBoost and neural networks, we've been able to reduce fraud across the business by around 90%. This has had a very material impact on our P&L, but not only that, on our ability to not only identify fraud, but to correctly identify things that aren't fraud. The use of Python and more advanced techniques has unlocked 10 to 20% improvement in our credit modelling, which again, from a P&L perspective, is a significant improvement for the business overall. Our security teams are absolutely thrilled about the fact that they don't have to worry about this really, or to build anything internally to deal with that. From a developer's perspective, there's no real difference between the way that they operate now and the way that they would operate in a purely unrestricted open source environment. This just would not have been possible without Python packages and the applications that allow us to run cutting edge AI. Using Anaconda has unlocked all of that for us as a business.